What is up, Keller Williams agents? It is me, Sam Jackson, your host of In Command with Sam, Director of Innovation Technology for the Georgia Legacy Group and MAPS Technology Coach. And today I'm so excited to share with you the new digital business card inside of KW Command Mobile. For this one here, I'm going to switch to our mobile device here, but thanks for watching the intro. And as always, if you have any questions or need help, you know how to find me, KW Connect, or find me in the white pages in KW, Sam Jackson. Stay in command.
All right, and the first thing we need to do is log into Command, and you can do this by entering your username and password, or if you have Face ID enabled, you can do that. And now that we're inside of Command mobile app, we're going to go hunting for your new digital business card. So the easiest way to get there is actually just to click on your name or your team name up here in the top left-hand corner. And then you'll see, hey, here's how I can toggle back and forth between personal and team if you're on a team. But ultimately, I'm going to click on that menu in the top left. And you'll see that we have business card, which is the second option up from the bottom, just above log out. And when I click on my digital business card, a little QR code is going to pop up, and this is going to be unique to you. And this is the information that once it is scanned, it will be saved to the scanner's phone. So if I'm sharing my business card with you, what you'll see is a little save contact feature pop up on their iPhone or Android phone, and they'll have to hit the save button. But this will basically preload an existing contact on their phone, and once they hit save, you've now shared your digital business card, and they now have your contact information. Now, some best practices, right? Because hey, it's in Command with Sam. I'm going to show you how to do the best option. If you're sending someone your digital business card, I'd also recommend that you're capturing their information. So what I'd highly recommend is, add them to your phone. Say, since I exchanged your information, I want yours. So, Mr. or Mrs. Test User, I would like you to come in here, give me your telephone number. And once you have them saved into your phone, what I'd recommend is save their contact information and share your KDB app link with them. And the best way to do that is to add them as a test user, saying, hey, in order to share my link with you, I'm going to need some contact information. And once I have them in here as test user, I'm going to click on the meatball or the three dots up in the top right hand corner and use the share my KW app link. So I'm going to send this through my personal device instead of Twilio. And this will send a little note to them that says, hey, this is Sam Jackson, but it will have your name, not mine. Here's a link to download my KW app for a personalized search and experience. So when I send this off, I've now captured their information as well as sent them my digital business card. So here's the best way to take advantage of your digital business card, all while still gathering information. Good luck out there, and as always, stay in command. Thanks, y'all.